Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Monday. Welcome to Monday Minutes. Very eventful start to 2021. There's a ton of stuff going on right now in the marketplace, a lot of cross currents. If we look at this week specifically, we'll get readings on inflation, CPI, and PPI. We get tons of Fed speak. We have Vice Chair Clarida, Fed Governor Brainard, Chairman Powell himself. And in addition to that, we do get long-end treasury supply in 3s, 10s, and 30s here with yield levels at some of the most attractive outright yield levels and yield curve that we've seen in quite some time. We've seen a very sharp repricing of the rate market to start the year coming out of the runoff elections. Looking at the fiscal picture, President-elect Biden said specifically on Friday that we should be thinking about deficit spending. In conjunction with that, with interest rates low here for quite some time, it's interesting. We've had a repricing of inflation expectations higher now in 5 and 10-year space. And in conjunction with that, a lot of discussion in terms of what this actually means for the Fed. What's the Fed's view on this move higher on the long end of the Treasury curve? We've argued now for quite some time that as long as this move higher and steeper is orderly and for the right reasons, that the Fed wouldn't be terribly concerned about this repricing short term. When you look at it, and we'll hear more obviously from the Fed and the chairman himself this week, but when you look at it explicitly, what the Fed's been asking for, they've been asking for more help on the fiscal side, that they felt for the most part that monetary policy has run its course short term in terms of what more they could possibly do to help the real economy. They've been asking for more fiscal support, and with their new framework, they've been telling us that they want to see inflation at and above 2% for quite some time. So the Fed is getting what they want. So in our mind, in our view, short term, we don't feel this is problematic for the Fed. We will be looking very closely. The one area that the Fed hasn't talked real specifically about is on the employment side, full employment. Fed Governor Brainard will be giving a speech specifically on full employment this week, and we will be watching that very closely. I'm Greg Faranello, head of U.S. rates for AmeriVet Securities, wishing everyone a great week.